So welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can install the theme and how we can start working on this. So this is our website. Let me just show you. This is visit website, and you can see this is the blank page here now. Okay. Now, first of all, we need to install some theme. Okay. So let's go to the dashboard, go to the appearance option and click on theme. So as you can see, 2024 is activated right now. So it's a default theme for the WordPress for 2024. So I'm going to add another theme here. So click on add new theme. And you can search any theme here, or you can just choose from here like this, hello and 2023, extra, and there are a lot more themes. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use here that extra theme. Okay, so let's click on the install, just select, or you can just search here like extra theme from here. Okay, this is the search or theme option, and you can search more or you can explore more themes like this. Okay, there are a lot more themes. So I'm going to just use that extra theme and just click on the activate here. Okay, and wait some seconds. Now it's done. So done. Now let's visit our website and let's see how this look. This look fine. Okay, fantastic. This is a hello world here and sample page. Now, so we need to install some plugins. Okay, so how we can get that? So first of all, I'm going to do one thing here. I'm going to use some predefined templates for that. So I'm going to do one thing, click on extra and click on dashboard. You can see the extra option in the left side. This is, click on dashboard. And you can see here the option of the start customization. Okay, and you will see here the settings and you can see the starter templates. So I'm going to just click on the starter templates and click on the install and activate. Now as you can see, we have two options, AI website builder and classic starter templates. So you can use both of them. Okay, but I'm going to use here the build with templates. So click on this. And you can see here we have a lot of options here, and some of the themes are paid. So I'm going to use here the free themes here. Okay, so let's try this. So I'm going to just use the business agency. Let's try some themes. Okay, so search e-commerce, and you can see here this is a lot of themes, but as you can see here some of theme are like a premium. So I'm going to use the free theme. So first of all, what I'll do, I'm going to use here the Elementor builder. So you can see in the top right here, block editor, Elementor, other two more builders. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use the Elementor here. Okay, Elementor is a WordPress website builder. Okay, so you can see we have a lot of themes. So I'm going to use here that brand store, this one. So click on this, and we need to use here site logo. We need to use here the font pair, color plate, and upload file site logo. So click on the upload file here, and we need to upload our logo. So where is our logo? So you can choose, so you need to click on the upload file and select your logo file. And I have one logo of my website. So I have one logo. You can see tcb logo.png. I'm going to upload this. And now next click on the select option. Now this is our logo. As you can see, this is fantastic. Now you can change your color theme also. So see the color plates. So I'm going to use the third one, this one color plate. Okay, like this. And you can see the font. You can also change the font here. So you can see a lot of fonts like Poppins, Monster, Rubik. So if I use the Rubik's, look like this. If I use the another one is like suppose let's use the Roboto like this. But I'm gonna use here the OpenSense, and I'm gonna use, so I'm gonna use the default letter, this one. Okay, that's fine. Now let's click on the continue, and as you can see you have some features. So I'm gonna just skip this step for now. Just one last step. So your name, email. So I'm gonna just put the TCB, your work email, TCB. I am a beginner and a website for building for myself. Okay, and now you can see the install the required plugin, import widget, import content, and everything. Now let's click on submit and build my website, and we need to wait some seconds to complete the all requirement here. 100% completed, and our website is done. Now I'm gonna just go to the visit your website, and let's see how this will look. The codingbuzz.shop here. Okay, and let's wait some second. And as you can see here, we have a logo, we have a menu items, we have banner, we have products, shop now button, and everything here. Okay, fantastic. I'm going to change a lot of things here because we need to change a lot of things, okay, in this website. So I'm going to show you a step by step everything. Okay, Now let's go to the again here and let's go to the visit dashboard. Now in the left side you will see there are a lot of options. Okay, so as you can see here, just scroll down and you will see here the WooCommerce option. This is the main plugin for your e-commerce website. Okay, in this plugin you have all the settings related to the product selling, products and everything. Okay, on this WooCommerce plugin, and let's see set up my store. Click on set up a store. So I'm just starting my business, continue, and you'll give your store name, so thecodingbuzz.shop and this website, and click on continue. Now we can use these plugin to boost our but I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna just uncheck all these things like this, or you can just do this, skip this setup like this from here and wait some second, turning on the lights. Done. Now, as you can see here, this is here we are. So welcome to the Coding Buzz shop, and we need to follow 3 more things here. So we have added your customized store, add your product, so already added here, but we'll do that. And let's complete this setup. Okay, so how we can do this? So let's click on the get paid, and here you can choose any payment provider here, WooCommerce or other. So what you can do here, you can install all these plugins. So I'm gonna do this let's click on the Razorpay and let's click on get started. So installing Razorpay plugin. Now we need to configure our Razorpay plugin. So if you don't have an account in Razorpay, then you need to create an account in the Razorpay website. Then you need to get the credential from that, like API key and all the things. I need to just enter the API key. We have just installed the Razorpay plugin, and we just need to enter our key ID and key secret key here. Okay, how we'll get that option? In the WooCommerce, you will see the setting option, and you will see here the payment option. Under the payment option, you will see this option. Okay, so now what we will do here, let's see the products first of all. So in the left side, you will find the products option like this, and you can see there is already predefined some product. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to change all these products, or I'm going to just add my own product. So how we can do this? So it's simple. So click on the add new product like this. And now we need to enter the product name. So suppose, okay, so product name is bag something, bag, TCB bag. Okay, like this. And you can see the product description. So you can put the product description here. So like TCB, this is the new branded TCB bag here. Okay, like this. This is the product description, and you can see the regular price and the sale price. So you can put your price here. Like suppose this product price is 1000 like this, and I want to sell that price to the 800. It means this is the 20% discount that will automatically display in our store. So this is the price, and you can add the inventory here, and you can add the SKU number. So my product SKU number is like this. Okay, in stock, yes. Limit purchase 1 item, no, I don't want this. Now if you want to track your stock quantity for this product, so just check that, and now I have suppose the 10 quantity. Okay, if someone purchase 1 item, then automatically that quantity will become 9. Okay, that's really great option. Now let's click on the shipping option, and you can see the weight. So that weight is like 0.5 kg. Okay, length and weight is like centimeters, so 50 by 50 by 50 like this. Now click on the link product. So link product is something whenever someone try to purchase your product, so you can link your product. So let's click on the upsell or cross sell. You can do both. So I'm gonna go for the upsell here and just put any product names. You can see that the Coding Buzz here, this is the bag here, light brown something. So I'm gonna say here light brown, this one good. You can see here's the attributes option. So if you have the variation in product, so you can add your variations here like color, size and everything. Now go to the advanced option. You can see the purchase note or menu order. Now I'm gonna add the main thing is like here the product image. Okay, so in the right side you will see here the option of set product image. So click on this, and I'm gonna add here the TCB bag. So I'm gonna put that bag. Okay, and just click on the set product like this. And if you want to add more picture of this, so just click on the product gallery like this, and you can add that one product also bag of like my logo. Click on OK, and we have added this product to the gallery. So you can just like this, we have added our product and our logo also in the product gallery image. And now let's click on the publish. You can see the link of your product. So click on that product and let's see how this will look. And as you can see here, this is the bag here, TCB bag. You will see here the 1000 price. It's a 800 price like this. 10 in stock. You can see here, you can see the add to cart button. Scroll down, you will see the description option also. See, this is the new branded bag, and you can see here you may like also we have added this light brown, okay, in a up cross style. So this is all about it, right? Fantastic. Now we have learned how we can set up the theme and how we can add our own products. So in the next video, we will see how we can set up the menu, how we can set up the category and all other things.